Hello and welcome. Today I've got for you this Carado i338 edition 15 motorhome, 7 meters long. It's quite impressive for its size because it seems to have so much inside. But this is one of the features I think that one gets with the integrated version. So no external steps. There's one internal one only. Let's come inside. So this vehicle is on a Fiat automatic gearbox. Being fully integrated, you get this magnificent panoramic view outside, and this one comes with a door, as is now the fashion, and up here we've got a bed which will come down, and that gives you an idea of the size of it. To get the bed to come down, of course, properly, you need to put the chair seats down. There was also a roof light up there as well, which will be quite useful when it comes to getting air into it, because they do get a bit stuffy. Let's go to the back and have a look at the other bed. This one has been laid out in the German layout. There is a ladder to get in there, which is now in the garage, but it gives you an idea of the huge amount of space in there, almost 4 square meters of space. At the back we've got storage, and either side there's a window with a ledge above it. Here we've got a bit of storage, as we also have under the bed as well. Fuse box on that side, and on this side we've got that much storage. On this side we will find the washroom, which is rather typical for Carado and Sunlight vans. Etrusco as well. Carado and Carado and Sunlight are actually built in the same place in Neustadt and Sachsen in Germany, and you can actually see a video I made when I actually went there in the summer, in June of 2018. It's located in a magnificent area of Germany, Saxon, Switzerland. So should you be in the area, definitely worth a visit. We've also got a free place to park there, and with free electricity, and a huge amount of electricity they give as well. So little plug there for visiting the factory, Capron it's called, in the Capron factory in Neustadt. So 3 burners there. Here we've got a largish sink, and down here we've got some storage space. This one here is an ex-rental model. It's now available for purchase, but they haven't decided on what the price is going to be yet, so I'm unable to tell you at the time of doing this. But there is a link, or hope there'll be a link. If there isn't, let me know below, and then if you're interested you can actually contact them and say, yes, I rather fancy that vehicle. Here we've got a rather large table, and there's a seat to take your shoes off at, and here we have a fat fridge from Thetford with a freezer and more storage above. Now it's being used for the television, so that's sort of the difference you see between a new vehicle. You probably wouldn't get the television. You get that would be extra to actually purchase. And storage under the sink as well, and there's a window in the door, which I personally think is a useful feature. Why is this curtain like this? It only goes that far. Is there a reason for it being there? Yes, there is, because the curtain is for the bed. So if you're in bed, you can draw the curtains, and nobody will see you in bed. Whilst I'm here, of course, I will point out that there are blinds for the panoramic window at the front and blinds at the sides as well, and these will attach magnetically. I think they're a great invention. And here there's a sideboard. Now the Edition 15 was introduced, oh, sorry, it doesn't open my arms like that, sorry. The Edition 15 was introduced for the 15th anniversary, which would have been, so the company was started in 2006, it'll be 2021 in that case. So, have a look in the back. That's your gas cupboard. Oh, I didn't close that door properly. Let's come back and do it again. And what it has got is a fantastic large garage here. Look at the size of that. I mean, that I think absolutely brilliant. The amount of spacing you've got there. 2 ladders, one's for the bed up front and one's for the rear bed, as well as these cubby holes inside the garage. Isn't that brilliant? The door at the other side's a bit shorter than the one at the side I'm at. Let's come round a bit. There we have the exhaust, and exhaust for the boiler, that is, not the exhaust for the engine. It's a place to put your water in at. No, sorry, take that back. That's you put your diesel in at. Sorry, if you've anyways put the water in, please take it out and replace it with diesel. And there's your AdBlue. I noticed that's got the name Blue Safe. I thought there was a company using that as a brand. Or maybe there isn't. Who knows? Okay, great. So there's a number of other vehicles here, so I'll try and show all of those which are now available. So from the rental fleet, so as vehicles get replaced usually on a yearly basis, then there's some others which actually come up and are available. So if you're interested in getting a new for you vehicle, then hopefully I will be able to actually show you to you. Here's another i338 as well, which is available. In fact, there's two of them there. So as new stock comes in, the old rental models go out. I think buying a rental model is a good idea, because you do get them at significant discount, and you know that whereas the renters mightn't have looked after them properly, the company which has rented them has made sure that they were in really good order for the next people who actually took them. So they've been they should be mechanically sound, and everything inside is actually working. Furthermore, it will have some of the extra bits which you would have to pay extra for if the vehicle was new, such as the television. So anyway, that's some reasons to get ex-rental model. Anyway, thanks so much for watching. Hope you found it interesting, and there's lots of videos on this site of vehicles, so please subscribe. All the best from me in Heilbronn, Germany.